Good day everybody, today I have Lenovo IdeaPad 320 and you want to replace the screen. To do that, remove the plastic frame, it's called bezel, that exposes the screen screws that's mounted on the screen assembly. In order to remove the screen bezel, this plastic trim that I'm about to show you now have to be removed. It's held by a bracket. So you have to slide it in one side, as you can see in the video. That releases the clip, and then you can simply lift it up. It requires a bit of a force. You can just use a bit of force, but just be very careful. You don't want to break the clips, because if you do break the clips, it wouldn't go back properly in place. You'll kind of be wobbly and loose. Once you remove that, simply lift up the bezel and put it out of the way. The screen is held by 4 screws, as you can see, and the screwdriver you're going to be using is 00 Phillips screwdriver. Everybody's got them. Everybody's got a small Phillips screwdriver. Once you remove all that, just lift up the clip, pull it out, and when you put them back together, be very careful. You align them properly, and then you push it in. If you wonk it, if you wobbly, if you don't properly align it and you push it in, it's going to damage the clip, not just on the laptop screen, but also on the LCD cable itself. So you got to take extra cautions that it's properly aligned before you push it in. If it requires force, then don't do that. Stay away from that. Put them back together and give it a test before you put all the parts back in place to make sure you did everything right. In my case, I used second-hand screen, so because of that, I have to test it, because a lot of the screens, it's got a dead pixel, so I gotta make sure it's not faulty or anything like that. Once you're ready, put everything back in place and tighten all the screws, put back the frame, the bezel, and the plastic trim. Alright guys, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment sections below. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Cheers guys.